Now know in what likely order symptoms of COVID-19 will appear. USC conducted a study that found infected people will likely first experience a fever, and that'll be followed by a cough and
It's important to have this information. This was a study by Dr. Larson. I want to give him credit.
People forget the power of research universities, but then something like this comes along and you see experts across the nation mobilizing immediately and really changing the game.
USC was conducting a survey of more than 5,400 adults to gauge their perception about the virus as well as their behaviors.
Now a USC study finds women are hit the hardest, especially working mothers. Researchers found 1 in 3 working moms reported being the main caregiver in a 2-parent household.
Kyla Thomas is one of the lead researchers on the USC study called Understanding Coronavirus in America.
Researchers like Darby Saxby are studying how soon-to-be parents are feeling during the pandemic.
Stress during pregnancy can have potentially profound effects on infant and child.
We were one of the first teams to launch a study to look at pregnant women's experiences of social connection during the pandemic.
According to a new study today from the USC Dornsife School, which finds level of education plays a huge role in how Americans view the pandemic and the vaccine.
New research released today by the USC Dornsife Public Exchange
that more than 1 in 4 LA County low-income households experienced food insecurity at least once from April to July.
This new USC study just released today reveals while COVID-related discrimination against racial minorities has declined over the past few months, it still exists.
Research scientist Ying Lu says in early June, Asian Americans were more than 2.5 times as likely as white people to experience recent COVID-related discrimination.
I spend so much time talking about how society needs university researchers. This last year has really proven that point, and I could not be prouder of how our Dornsife folks have stepped up to combat this pandemic.
Sociologists at the Dornsife Center for
New USC study.
A new study by USC Dornsife